My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the IRS. I worked at IRS for a decade. I've been in private practice for four. Welcome to the home of the 5 minute or less video. I've worked about 10,000 cases. You want to believe me because I'm an IRS expert in tax resolution, nationwide expert. So whatever I say is pretty much going to be the Bible on how to handle an IRS problem. Not only did I work all these cases, I've been involved in our representation, God, since 1982. So what I try to do is unzip and let you know what IRS thinks on cases to give you enough educational information to go ahead and make a competent decision. So today we're going to go ahead and talk about IRS business taxes and how to go ahead and deal with those taxes. So we're going to today talk about IRS business taxes, 941 payroll taxes, and really how to handle those. So 941s are looked at by IRS very, very closely. Why? It's not a tax. It's money that the business is held in trust, and that money is supposed to go to Internal Revenue Service, and it doesn't. And with the economy and trying to own a business, a lot of people can't pay their 941 tax debts because they spend that in other things. I've represented thousands of clients over the year, and if this has happened to you, this is what you need to do. You need to at least have all the tax returns filed and up to date. Whether you can pay them or not, file your returns. If you're listening to me and this is the month of June, at least go ahead and make your June tax deposit. The first thing the IRS is going to ask for is, are all your tax returns filed, number one, and number two, are you making current tax deposits? So if you tell them yes, they're going to think, well, gee, they're rehabilitative, they know what to do. I can go ahead, or we can go ahead and work with that taxpayer. The next thing that IRS is going to do is take a financial statement, a business financial statement, and that's on IRS Form 433B. At some point, you're going to have to give that to IRS, and they may want the personal statement on 433A to see if you're having any assets there. The IRS is going to look closely to your business income and your business expenses, and they're going to come up with a solution based on that current financial statement. Generally, there's three ways that IRS will remedy these cases. Either with a payment agreement, put you in an uncollectible status for a year or so, or you can submit an offer in compromise to settle your tax debt for pennies on a dollar. But remember, your current financial statement will determine how IRS is going to work with you. It's critical you know how to fill out that 433B. If this is a small case and you're a do-it-yourself or do-it-yourself, if you owe over $50,000, don't do this. IRS will probably wreak havoc with you and your business. So remember, stay current. File all your tax returns, know how to fill out that 433B and A, and remember more than anything, IRS, if you owe this 941, can set up the trust fund penalty against you, the 6672 penalty, which means you personally are going to be responsible for the withholding and Social Security of that corporation, and they can and will make a personal assessment against you and collect the money from you personally. Don't take this lightly, because IRS puts their better revenue officers on this to collect the money. So just do the things I said. We're available for representation and consultations. Thank you very much for listening. And by the way, if you like what I said, please give me a subscription. There's a bell there. YouTube puts a value on those if I get a subscription. So please do that. Leave me a comment. If I like the comment, I'll make a YouTube on it. Thank you.